That kid is the real cooking man.
Previously on The Cooking Man.
We are with Huandanrui.
Yes.
He's gonna go for a short, well, long bike around, and we might not see each other. So I wish him the best of luck. Yeah, it was really nice.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very.
We are at Shangri-La City in the Moonbird hostel, and I have met this passionate traveler from China. He's traveling all over China with his bike that is behind him, and it's absolutely amazing. Take care. Hello. Wow, that kid is the real cooking man. Bye-bye. They were so sweet and nice. I love the hostel. Let's go. How to? Wow, that's a huge market here. I didn't know that they have like such a big market in Shangri-La. Whoa! These are yaks. Yak butter, yak meat. This is yak butter? Okay. Really nice. That's really... So we are getting close to the bus station. This city, Shangri-La, would be the last city of the Kham region of Tibet that we will visit. So Tibet has three main regions, Amdo, Utsang, and then Kham. I was able to visit this western part of Sichuan and part of Yunnan to see the Tibetan. I hope that the Chinese government would ease the access to Tibet, because we need to get a permit, and then it's organized tour, which is kind of artificial in terms of exploring Tibet. Dali.
Today?
Yeah, yes. Dali. We have arrived Dali. Now I have to find the hostel. Good luck to me. I have no clue. They said it's 3 kilometers walk from here. We're gonna walk. I don't take taxis. I think these are Bai women. They are dancing. This city is famous for the minority Bai.